Good morning, fourth graders. Today I am going to teach you how to access or get to your very own online writer's notebook. So the first thing we need to do is get into Schoology. So I'm going to go to Students, down to Schoology. And then I'm going to find my account. In this case, I am going to use someone's account from our class. So I'm going to type in their username. Click Next. Oh, I forgot at seattleschools.org. Very important. And then it will have you enter your password, and all of our passwords are the same. Seattle with no uppercase letters. Click Sign In. And I am going to save my password for the next time so I don't have to type it in. Then I'm going to go up to Courses. And once I'm in Schoology, I'm always going to go to Homeroom. So now that we're on Schoology, we're going to go over here to the left-hand side and go down to OneNote Class Notebook. Then it may ask you to sign in to OneNote. You're just going to click on that. And it will automatically sign you in. So then you're going to go to Open in OneNote Online. Then, to get to your notebook, you're going to come over to the very left-hand side. You're going to go down to where you see your name. And this little arrow is pointing to the right. You're going to click on that. And then you're going to find Writer's Notebook. The only one of these tabs that we're going to use right now is Writer's Notebook. So don't worry if you don't have handouts, class notes, quizzes, and homework. We're just using this one. So click on Writer's Notebook. Okay. Then what should come up is a page. If you look down here, it says page, and this page represents the week of April 20th to 24th. April 20th is Monday. So then you can read the directions here, which say, for each day below, you may write about anything that interests you, or you may choose to write about the other option. For example, on Monday, you may write about anything that interests you, or you may write about why dogs are better than cats. And then we have Monday, write about anything that interests you, explain why dogs are better than cats. So I can scroll down to below the picture, but before Tuesday, give myself a little bit of space to write, and then I can just start writing. I think that I'm going to write to the prompt, why dogs are better than cats. I think dogs are better than cats because Dogs are kind to humans. And then on my screen at home, I'll be able to give you feedback on your writing. So I'll be able to see your writing, and you don't need to save it. Up here it says saved because it's online. You just write and then you're done. So you are going to write each day of the week. I have a different prompt for Tuesday. You can write about anything that interests you, or you can write about this. Do you prefer sweet or salty food? Explain your choice. Wednesday, write about anything that interests you. Do you like winter or summer days better? Explain your choice. Remember, to write, you're always going to go to below the picture, click, and then you can start writing. Have fun!